Hello everyone, this is lecture second. This lecture is related to concentration and rate of chemical reaction. Now it is concentration. Concentration. What is concentration of reactant or product? Of reactant or product. What is the concentration of? Concentration is nothing but it is the number of mole or the number of molecules which are present in a volume in a time t. It is concentration. So it is nothing but number of molecules per unit volume is called concentration. It is molarity. We can also call it molarity. Molarity is nothing but it is moles of substances per unit volume, known as molarity, and these mole is given by mass of the substance, by molecular mass of that substance. So concentration, it is molarity or normality or something like that, and mole is nothing but these are number of atoms or molecules, and is given by this relation. And concentration is nothing but it is the mole or mass of a substance per unit volume. Now the concentration of A and in chemical reaction, the concentration of A changes. Suppose A react with B to form C, then the concentration of A and B will change. Suppose A molecule, this is the A molecule, and it react with B molecule. Suppose these are B molecule. These are B molecule. When A and B react, they form C molecules. In this case, molecule of A, suppose this is molecule A, which is decreased, and this is the molecule B. Suppose these are molecule B, it is decreased, and these are molecule C, which has increased. So during a chemical reaction, molecules of A and B in this case decreases and C molecule decreases. So the concentration here, the concentration of A and B changes with the passage of time. The concentration of A decreases. Similarly, the concentration of B also decreases, but the concentration of C increases with the passage of time. Now after concentration, we come to our main topic, which is rate of a chemical reaction. Rate of a chemical reaction. Rate is nothing but it is change in the concentration per unit time per unit volume. Change in the concentration of molecules per unit volume in a unit time. Suppose change in the concentration is nothing but it is denoted by delta C, change in the concentration, and change in time is delta T. So it is nothing but rate of reaction. R is nothing but rate of reaction.